Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple iPad 10th generation, a budget-friendly tablet that's become a top seller on Amazon in 2025. With its modern design, the iPad features a 10.9-inch liquid retina display and slim bezels, giving it a sleek, updated look. The familiar home button is gone, replaced by Touch ID conveniently located on the top power button. Under the hood, the iPad 10th generation is powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 12. This means smooth multitasking, effortless streaming, and even light gaming are all within reach. Whether you're browsing the web, editing photos, or watching videos, the iPad handles it all with ease. Plus, you'll enjoy up to 10 hours of battery life, making it perfect for all-day use. Charging is now faster and more convenient with the addition of a USB-C port. The iPad also supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster, more stable connections. It's compatible with the first-generation Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard Folio, making it a versatile choice for students, creatives, and casual users. All of this comes in at just under $300, making the iPad 10th generation a standout value. It's no surprise it's Amazon's best-selling tablet right now. Thinking of grabbing one? Check the affiliate link.